Very good morning to all of you. In today's lab, in this HCDA, what you need to do is you have to finish your exercise first, right? And I've already shared one spreadsheet with you. I hope you have done the entry in that, or which website you will develop. I mean, more than 10 static pages. That what we have written, right? So I hope you have decided that website or not yet. You can answer in chat that you have decided it yet or not, because 6th is the last date, means tomorrow. Have you? See, I'm not getting your messages, right? Due to network, or maybe you are not writing anything. Okay, I'll do it by today. Fine. You did know. So when you will decide? When you will decide? Because tomorrow is the last date. You can have any e-commerce website, right? That you wish to make. Say, suppose it would be Flipkart, it could be Amazon, right? Any shopping websites or anything. Yes, any particular category, any particular thing, like for shoes, if you wish to shop, for the clothing you wish to shop. So any of the category or anything that you can decide, right? Or if it is your family business and you want to make the website for that, that also you can do. But it should look the professional website, right? So many templates are already available. Okay, so you can use those template into your website. That is fine. WordPress से नहीं चलेगा, that what we already discussed. No, you have to make it with the use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For what we were having the workshop, otherwise there is no meaning of that workshop. All right. Okay. Done, Aziz? Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So please start searching the definitions and fill up it by tomorrow latest, right? After that, you will not be able to change in that. Okay. And I already did mail. In that also there was the exercise list, right? Still I'm showing you. I hope my screen is visible, right? And this is what you need to finish. So I think last time you have done with the CV or something, maybe. So just start working on it. You only need to finish this exercise, right? As it would be as a your term work, right? You have to submit this. There's all the exercise plus the website. Clear this thing? Yes or no? Either you are not getting, either you are not listening. But after the 20 minutes, you guys are going to share your screen, that what you have done. And once you will share your screen, then and only then you will able to write your attendance, right? So the people who don't want to work anything, they may leave the meet. If they don't want to do any work, they may leave the meet, right? Because you guys only need to finish this. Okay. For the teaching purpose only, those that workshop was there. So you have learned everything. Now this is the time for the practice. Okay. If still you are having any doubt, you can watch those videos again and again. You can clear your doubt. but start making it. So I hope this is clear. After 20 minutes, you guys are going to share your screen. Okay? Is it clear? Fine. Finish this stuff, CV, and the timetable, and this registration form. At least three that you need to finish. Right? This three. It would be individual, not in a team. It would be individual. Otherwise, whatever I've shared in that, I can write in a group. But this is for the individual, right? Yeah. I hope you guys are doing your work, right? Yes, Aditya, Ami, Anjali, Aziz, Bharat, Chintan, Divyan, Shardesh, Hitansh, Kandar, Kevin, Kirtan, Kuldeep, Kunj, Kushal, Milan, Nilesh, Prachi, Rahul, Sachin, Shyam, Siraj, Swati, Yojit, and Yuvraj. I hope you are working, right? Yes, great. Good. Please finish your exercise, right? From the very next lab, we will start working on our actual website, whatever you have selected. We will be having hardly 10 labs, right? So 10 to 12. So in that time period, in each and every lab, you will make at least one static page. I'll check and then only you will go for the second one, right? So in each and every lab, we'll make at least one page, so we will be able to finish it on time, right? So finish the exercise. This is the last lab for the exercise. Else you have to do it at your convenient time at home. But this you need to submit me at the time of Viva submissions. Okay. Some of you are joining so late the lab, right? Is it so? Neil Kanani joined so late. Yes. Yes, Kerala. Fine, so can we start sharing your screen? Aditya, will you please share your screen? Aditya Vyas. Will you please share your screen? Chalo, answer me quickly. Ami, whosoever is not responding, they won't get the attendance, right? So if you don't want to give the answer, that is your choice. I already said that whosoever is sharing their screen and show me their work, for them only I'll mark the present. So if you don't want to do any work, you may leave the meet. So this is what I said at very first. Okay. Ami, are you listening to me? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Means I am audible, but these two guys are not replying me. Good. You can share your screen, Anjali.
Ma'am, you are presenting, so I am not able to share it.
Is it so? So I'll stop sharing. Fine, now try.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it is visible.
Ma'am, this is for the timetable I have prepared.
Show me the output.
Ma'am, actually, it is not working right now. I don't know, but I will do it and show you in the next class.
Why it is not working? It should not. Whether it would be in the wrong manner, that would be fine, but at least it will work because this is HTML file, right? It will work.
Yes, ma'am.
We have saved it as .html, dear. First thing, this is in the text.
Ma'am, I have tried that also, but it is not. I don't know why.
So just do it right now. Chalo. I'm seeing this. Why it is not working? Chalo. Save it with .html or HTML. Yeah. Then open that folder. Open that folder only. Open that folder. That's what I'm saying. Don't open that file. Open that folder where you have saved it.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there? What you are doing and what I'm asking, just minimize it. Go to my computer. Yeah. Where you have saved that file, go to that particular folder. Where is that .html file?
Ma'am, it's here.
Yeah. Open it with any of the browser. See. And you are saying it is not working. Come on.
Okay, ma'am, I got it now.
Then you don't know how to execute it there. You are opening from that file. So from that file, how it will open into the not paid.
Okay, ma'am. Now I got it, ma'am.
Okay.
And I have also prepared for the resume, but it is not fully done.
Okay. Show me that. Up. Hmm. Down. 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 Okay. Fine. This is what
This I will complete it by in 2 days.
But this is what you made any PSS for this or what?
What, ma'am? Actually, I cannot hear.
You made CSS only or you made that HTML version too?
No, ma'am. Only CSS.
But that is your
CSS is not clear to me, so I was trying with CSS.
fine. You can unshare your screen. Fine. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
What about you, Ami, and again, Aditya Vyas? What you guys are doing? You hear me? You can write your number, Anjali, in the chat box. What about Aziz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? Hello,
Not
ma'am.
yet. Not yet. Yeah, now it is. Yes.
Visible?
No, not exactly. I mean, again, you can try. Again, you can try presenting your screen.
Yes,
Unshare and again share it quickly.
yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, visible. Okay. Execute it and just show me the output.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am?
Output is not visible. Only your screen of the coding is visible.
1 minute, ma'am.
You guys are why sharing only one screen and two screen and like that entire screen. Why you can't do this every time? Then we are wasting the time. Everybody, I'm saying that you have to share your entire screen. There is nothing secret like this. Okay, and any personal stuff, if you are doing, then just close it and then share entire screen. Right? Yeah. Fine. Now it is visible. What else you did, Aziz?
मैम अभी तक तो इतना ही हुआ है.
Yeah, but here you have not attached your photograph and nothing much you have done. Only three things you have done, right? Skills, interest, and education. That's it.
मैम वो सब बाकी है, अभी स्टार्ट अभी किया मैम इस
So
लेक्चर में
at
ही।
the time of the workshop, this exercise was given. At that time, why you didn't do this?
मैम सॉरी, आज ही स्टार्ट किया है अभी।
Fine, then do it, please. Finish it.
यस मैम।
Hmm, fine. Okay.
ओके
Drumil next. Aziz, you can write your number. Drumil, share your screen quickly. Huh? We need to finish it before 11. Don't take much time.
Hello.
Yeah, Drumil.
Completed yet? I started right now.
But why you are
I don't know
starting
any
now? It's around.
because I was not there in a workshop.
But why you were not there in workshop? I mean, you
Because
link,
I
right?
did not register that.
Right, that is okay, but then the YouTube videos are still available. Many of the times I said that please go through those videos. They are only the recording one, right?
Sorry, ma'am. I
You
don't
are
know
not
that.
even attending OPJ lectures too, right, Drumil? You are
Yes, ma'am.
continuously absent in that also.
Yes, ma'am.
So why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, so you need to be present, no? Then every time you are
Uh,
saying that I was not in workshop, I've started with my work. So how it will be happening, right? So please do it. Please finish it.
yes, ma'am. I am doing it right now.
Yeah,
Yes.
and if you are having any doubt, you can simply refer the videos. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is
Yes.
Divya. Yes, Divyan, share your screen. Then Hardesh, right? First Divyansh. Rumil, you can write your number.
Ma'am, 1 second. I am sharing.
Yeah, Divyansh. Say. Rumil, you can write your number. Divyansh, share your screen. Accept. Don't waste the time. Yeah, your screen is visible. Whatever you have done. Okay, good. Fine.
And my code.
Okay, okay. Good. Fine. Nice. Fine. You can write your number. Then Hardesh, you can present your screen. Hardesh, quickly. Yes, your screen is visible, Hardesh. Okay, just show me, just down. Array, why? Ah, down. Okay, fine. Fine. Hardesh, you can write down your number. Hitansh, share your screen quickly. Hitansh. After that, please be ready. Kandarp and Kevin.
Ma'am, I started with this CV right now.
Oh, just you have started. I mean, in this 45 minutes, you have done only this. Is it so? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, Hitansh?
Yes, I just started. Like when you told us to start, now I began it and
Yeah,
did
but in
this.
45 minutes, you have done only this because at only 10 o'clock I said this, no? At 10 o'clock only I said that you have to share your screen and you have to work on this.
I had started working on it at that time only, ma'am.
Then also it took so much time, right?
I'm learning I'm also learning it right now.
Okay, no problem, but please refer those videos again and again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And please learn it properly. Then and only then you will be able to make your website, else not.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, fine. You can write your number. Next, Ami. I said so many times, but
Yes,
is there
ma'am.
anything?
Ma'am,
Ami?
because of the network issue, I was not able to.
Yeah, but whenever I'm facing the network issue, automatically I'll be out of the meet. This is what happens to me whenever I'm facing the poor network, right? What kind of network you guys are facing, I really don't know. Where you are still connected with the Google Meet, but you can only not hear me. What kind of network is this? I really want to learn in CL.
Sorry, ma'am. Can I present?
Fine, present it. What kind of network is this? Seriously, please tell me somebody. Right? That you can be connected here in the meet, but you cannot only answer or you cannot listen me. So what is the reason to be here in this meet? Yeah, you can share quickly, I mean, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, Kandarp, you will share your screen.
Ma'am, visible?
Not yet. Not yet, Ami.
Now, ma'am?
No. Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay.
Fine. Show me your work quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Down. Only this much? Okay,
Yes, ma'am. I will add some things into it.
fine. Okay. You can write your number into the chat. Yes,
Okay,
Kandarp.
ma'am.
Yes, Kandarp, you can share.
Visible, ma'am, screen.
Yeah, visible, visible.
Yeah, so ma'am, I have done. I have tried to make a first page of Netflix. So this is what I was able to do till now.
Okay, fine. So you can continue with the same project only,
Yeah, ma'am.
right? And what else from the exercise?
Ma'am, I have not started exercise yet, but I will finish it.
When?
Uh, I will do simultaneously with this. I will start.
Is it this what you made? I mean, really? That just show me the code of this. Fine. Fine. Write down your number and share your screen. Next is Kirtan. But I said to do about what? The exercises, right? And you are doing something else which would be available maybe. I need to check it out, Kandarp.
Ma'am, I have created this by myself,
Okay, fine. Then it's well and good.
and I will also do exercises as well.
Okay, fine. Yes, Kirtan. Quickly. Are you going to share your screen or not? Let me know so I won't speak up your name again and again. Yes, Kuldeep, you can share. Yes,
Ma'am, I open my camera.
sorry.
मैम मैंने लैपटॉप में से ज्वाइन नहीं किया, मैंने फोन में से किया। मैं कैमरा ओपन करके आपको दिखा देता हूँ।
तो फिर कब से हम पूछ ही तो रहे हैं कल कुलदीप, why you haven't started your laptop then?
था नहीं हो रहा था इसलिए।
Why it was not working? I mean, what kind of network issue you are facing where you can
मैम
join?
नोट नेटवर्क इश्यू नहीं है, पर वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा था। मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं है ना, इसलिए।
क्या डाउनलोड क्या नहीं हो रहा था? डाउनलोड कहाँ कुछ करना है हमको? Only what you are showing, I really don't know. Huh? This is what you have done,
यस मैम।
Nana. Fine, you can start. Your laptop is already there, right? You can just start with your mobile hotspot, right? Just make it and please connect via this, okay? Then I'll see your screen at the last, okay? And
ओके मैम।
the time. Yes, Kirtan, what you are saying? Kirtan.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So what you were saying, you are going to share your screen or not? That's what I'm saying.
Now I'm screen share.
Sorry?
1 minute.
I already said just do it everything quickly. Don't waste my time.
Ma'am, how to present open your anti screen?
Option होगा ना present now का. There would be one option that present now.
Yeah. Your entire screen.
Entire screen.
Now my
You are when you have joined via your personal ID.
okay.
Okay, Kushal. I'm saying this to Kushal, not to you. You just continue.
Okay. My first resume. And second timetable.
This is what the timetable you made?
Yeah, I made.
So have you set this color of this, I mean this gray color, have you set this?
But we are B lab, so I'm color में मैं कलर बना दिया था। बी लैब है तो व्हाइट कलर, बाकी ग्रे कलर किया था। And third registration.
Okay, just show me. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine, Kirtan. You can write your number and you may unshare your screen.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes, Kushal, you have joined via your personal ID 2-3 times. I deny you right to join. So please join via Marwadi ID, please. Okay, Kushal?
Okay.
Kushal,
यस मैम।
you have joined via your personal ID.
मैम वो इस ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था इसमें, इसलिए।
ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था, मैं ही डिनाई कर रही थी। ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं हो रहा था? बिकॉज आई वॉज डिनाइंग। यू हैव ज्वाइंड वाया पर्सनल आईडी।
ओके मैम।
यू आर गोइंग टू शेयर योर स्क्रीन, कुशल?
जस्ट मिनट मैम, अभी लैपटॉप शुरू हुआ है, अभी तक नहीं हो रहा था।
तो क्यों
लोड रेल
हो रहा था? मीन्स यू हैव ट्राइड फ्रॉम 1 hour before, but it was not working. Is it so, Kushal?
मैम लैपटॉप में ना ज्यादा देर लगती है शुरू होने में, लोड ज्यादा देता है।
Means 1 hour, right? 1 hour will take, no, to start your laptop. Milan, next you can share, and Kirtan, you can write your number.
Yes, ma'am.
Milan, you may share your screen.
हेलो मैम।
Yes.
अभी तो मैम इतना हुआ है, अभी स्टार्ट किया इसलिए थोड़ी देर पहले।
So why you have started just when I said?
सॉरी मैम, अब हो जाएगा वो।
कब होगा? When you will be able to do this?
यस मैम।
When you will be able to do this? Yes, Chintan, why you have joined so late at the last moment? Yes, Chintan. Every time you are joining at the time of attendance, is it so? Chintan, you can unmute yourself and answer. You are not there throughout the meet, right? You were not there. Suddenly you have joined again. Chintan, I'm asking to you, quickly unmute yourself and answer. Don't write anything in message.
मैम कॉल आ रहा था इसलिए लीव हो रहा है।
तो आप थे ही नहीं पूरी मीटिंग में, उसका क्या करूं मैं?
मैम शुरू में ज्वाइन किया था 10-15 मिनट, लेकिन कॉल आया फिर लीव हो गए।
From there only I'm just checking who is there and who is not there. So please leave the meet quickly. Chalo. Here you are having that habit that you can join at the last 5 minutes and you will get the attendance. If this is only the scenario, I really don't mind. If you are here for the learning, then it's fine. If you are not here for the learning and only for the attendance, then also it is fine. I really don't mind. Fine. And the rest of the students may write their numbers. This is the final warning. From the next time, I won't allow any kind of excuses, right? That मेरा ये नहीं चल रहा था, मेरा लैपटॉप चालू होने में 1 hour लगता है. Such kind of excuses I'll not allow, right? So quickly write down your numbers and you may leave the meet. Thank you.
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो आपने वो HCDA का प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जो वो बोला था ना, तो ये उसमें हम ट्रिब्यूट पेज कर सकते हैं क्या HTML और CSS यूज करके?
Yeah, you can.
ओके मैम।
You can combine it because your website should look professional, and for that reason you have to include CSS. So
Okay.
you will require both of them, and even the JavaScript, right?
Okay, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, Rahul.
मैम ये एक्सरसाइजेज जो थी तो मैम ये इसकी डेडलाइन कब है, कब तक जमा करना है?
You have to do this before your Viva and submissions. You are having
Okay, and
time to do it.
मैम मिनी प्रोजेक्ट means that website.
Every lab we will do at least one page.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So quickly write down your number and you may leave the meet. This is what I said. I hope you have written your number, right? Hey, you guys have already written the numbers, no? Divyansh.